Hey, welcome to the channel. Ford F150 Error Check 12-volt battery. The error reads, your vehicle's battery monitor indicates that soon your battery may not be healthy enough to start your vehicle. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users start their vehicle and the system detects an issue with the 12V battery's health. According to our research, this error is triggered when the vehicle detects that the 12V battery capacity has dropped below a specific threshold due to aging. If you don't know, then this is not an error. Instead, this is a new feature enabled in Ford Pass to give users an early warning before the battery fails completely. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to inspect your 12V battery's age and condition. If the battery is old or hasn't been replaced in a long time, consider checking its voltage or health using a battery tester. If the error still comes, then consider replacing the 12V battery. As per the warning, the battery is likely near the end of its life and may not be reliable. Replacing it with a new battery should prevent further issues. Also, it will be better if you contact the service center for a detailed battery system inspection. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.